The best in Baguio City's tourism industry will again be showcased in the country's summer capital next month. For the full story, here's Jonathan Llanes.
As part of the 104th founding anniversary of the country's summer capital being a chartered city this September, organizers of the 10th Hotel and Restaurants Tourism Weekend is set to showcase the best tourism industry practices in the field of culinary and hospitality services of Luzon. Hotel and Restaurant Association of Baguio Chairman and Baguio Country Club General Manager Anthony De Leon said the annual tourism gathering of the best hospitality and tourism practitioners in the North is their contribution to the city in promoting it as an all-weather destination. More than just showcasing the best of Baguio's tourism industry, De Leon stressed the series molding future leaders in the tourism industry by developing the skills of students and professionals in the country through culinary events such as this.
Our vision then, up until now, is to create quality activities for the city of Baguio, at the same time promoting the potential of the city for its tourism value. Of course, leading the development of the future hospitality and tourism leaders of the country.
Aside from this competition, HRAB seeks to improve the present credentials of culinary students and professionals hoping to land a job here and abroad.
And for the professional division to participate in that weekend, every September, is to train their personnel in the latest trends and basic standards in food preparation. And of course, yung menu composition and food styling kasama na doon, no? This upgrades the level of the standards of the professional establishments. Now, for the students, not only does it develop their skills in the culinary arts, it also forms part of their resume when they apply for jobs after they graduate from college.
From the city of Baguio for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.